Do you guys ever wonder how some people grow their money eventually faster than others? So, does they have any special trick or they use any secret formula that they can grow their money eventually faster compared to others? So, if I say that they have any secret, I would say no. They use a special trick of growing their money that is known as compound interest. Hello guys, my name is Somnath. So in this video I am going to teach you about everything about compound interest. So stay till the last of the video. I will teach everything about. So if I have to explain compound interest in a simple way, I would say compound interest is nothing but interest plus interest. So what is interest? Before knowing interest, we have to first understand what is principal. Principal is the amount of money that we stored in the bank. By the basis of the amount of money, we get a percentage of the amount that is known as interest. So suppose we are storing 100 rupees in a bank and we will get 10% of this interest. So after 1 month we will get 110 rupees in return. So principal plus interest that we will get after 1 month. The time period is like 1 month or depend on the other bank condition. So before going into deep into the compound interest, first we have to understand what is simple interest. If I have to say about compound interest, in compound interest, the money that we stored in the bank that will get a percentage of amount that give the customer after a time of period. So the principal will stay constant, like for years or for times the principal will remain constant. But in case of compound interest, the principal will change after every month. The interest we get from the bank after storing our amount of the x or y amount of time, the interest will become added with the principal, and the new principal became principal is equal to principal plus interest, and after every time of period we get interest based on the new principal, which is equal to principal plus interest. But in case of simple interest, that will not happen. In simple interest, the principal will stay constant. So I know that is not all of them get clear, so I will get with an example. Let's explain with a simple example. So first thing, that simple interest. Suppose I am investing 10,000 rupees in a bank with a 5% of yearly rate of interest. That means if I invest 10,000 rupees, after 1 year I will get 500 rupees. So the interest will be in first year 500 rupees, second year again 500 rupees, third year again 500 rupees. So the total interest we will get 1,500 rupees. So that is the benefit of saving our money in a bank, that we are giving 10,000 rupees and after 3 years we are getting 1,500 rupees. But in case of compound interest, the scenario is different. In the first year, like simple interest, we will also get the rate of interest 5% based on the 10,000 rupees. So our total amount became 10,005 interest. But in case of the second year, we will get some extra amount of money based, because our principal will change. First our principal is 10,000, but now our principal become 10,500. That's the major difference. And the second year we will get 10,000, we will get 525 rupees as the interest. The interest will be changed. In the case of simple interest we will get 500, but in case of compound interest we will extra get 25 rupees. So after calculating the 3 years, the total interest of the simple interest will be 1,500. But in case of compound interest, the interest rate will be 1,575. So it seems like you think that 75 rupees is like so cheap, but in case of a long run, that it matters. When our money is eventually growing by time, the small things matter. Like compound interest is growing exponentially by time. First is like small, but then it's grow like a scale too fast. So the 75 rupees seems small to you, but it increases in a big way. It's a story. So there are three friends, Harry, Jack, and Williams. They are trying to save their money by investing. So Harry started his investing with $15,000 with an SIP of 12% rate of interest. But William and Jack delayed their investment. At the age of 60, the total amount of Harry is 10.4 crore. So after investing, Harry's friend Jack invest after 1 year of his at the age of 24. So he start investing at the same scheme like $15,000 and 12% rate of interest. But at the age of 60, his total amount is just 9.4 crore. After that, Harry's third friend William comes into the game after 5 years. So he delay 5 years with the same scheme, $15,000 and 12% rate of interest, and his total amount of money after at the age of 60 is 6.8 crore. So next time when you think that you have to delay your investment, think about that. At just 1 year of delay, make 1.2 crore of change, and the last person who invests after 5 years, he just gets 6.8 crore. Too much amount of money difference between the three friends. So in investment or finance, you have to invest in at your proper time, and you have to invest constantly to grow your money and have patience in case of long term. That's I want to say in this video. Thank you.